In this video, I will show you how to clone a repository in GitHub. So to get started, go ahead and install Git into your device. If you haven't already, you can install Git from their official website. So after this, you need to copy the repository URLs. You'll need to go ahead and head over into GitHub. Now in here, go ahead and click on this code button, and under this you'll be able to find your repository URL. So you can copy your HTTPS or SSH repository URL. After that, you'll need to open your terminal on Git and navigate to the folder where you want the repo. Run git clone and then paste the GitHub repository URL and hit on enter. So make sure that you enter your repository URL to simply clone that on your GitHub account, and that's basically how you can clone a repository in GitHub.